with the points here today.
Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up. Now, this is the 11 unveiled by the home team.
This is the selection for the away side. So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. Oh, he did really well there.
Bale on the ball. Got to admire skill like that.
Oh, wonderful trickery.
He must score. Shoots. Chesney saves.
Oh, determined challenge there. Great dribbling. Oh, well timed. What a well-timed tackle.
The defender could be in trouble here.
That's a dangerous area to lose the ball.
He's got the ball at his feet. He's so skillful on the ball.
Great dribbling.
He's unstoppable with the ball.
They've got a chance just to regroup now. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. What an opportunity.
Goal, taken goal.
Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway.
The captain then.
Well taken by the goalkeeper. This is Matuidi.
He's got the ball at his feet.
Long ball then.
They've won the ball back again.
This player is taking on the opposition. He dribbles the ball forward. Great technique.
Ronaldo.
He loves to run with the ball.
Oh, he did really well there.
It's with the defender now.
Bonucci.
And with the captain now.
What a well-timed tackle.
Ronaldo.
Quadrado. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time.
They're winning. They'll have to get more goals in this second half. This is Matuidi. Bonucci. Oh, he did really well there. The shot's on. Messi! Great goal!
Oh, what a stunning goal here as he finds the back of the net with ease.
Let's take another look at that.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond?
That's good link-up play.
Inside.
Lovely passing here.
Oh, well timed. He kicks the ball away from danger.
Ronaldo.
He's unstoppable with the ball. He loves to go past players with the ball.
Surely now.
Well-worked goal. Great finish.
And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet.
Let's see that one again. Let's see what difference the change makes.
And we're back underway here.
Chiellini.
Oh, look at that showboating.
Bale on the ball.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Bale shoots.
And this is a world-class finish.
Let's see that again.
change here. It's just one after the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic.
Oh, he did really well there. This is Matuidi. Cuadrado.
Bentancur.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Bale on the ball.
Oh, he steps up to steal the ball.
Messi.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Oh, here's Messi.
And this player's on form. 3 of the best for him.
Let's see that one again.
This is Matuidi. Oh, determined challenge there.
Good defending. The defender's back on the ball. Oh, that was nice. Striker's ball.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Keeper opts to throw this one out.
Good catch by the goalkeeper. Launched upfield, but...
And there we have it, goals flying in today from the winning team. They'll be celebrating in style tonight.
Well, that's definitely the right choice for me.